Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amit. In the previous video of Juniper Router Learning, we have already discussed about how to do initial setup of Juniper Router in GNS3, how to configure IP address, MTU and description of interface, and how to shut and unshut the interface of router. Now in this video, we will learn about how to configure system login user and how to configure static routes. So friends, I have created one topology to show you the configuration of static route. But before that, let's see how to configure the system login user in Juniper Router. So let's go in configure mode. And I'm configuring one user here, system login user. Let's give name ABCD and authentication plain text password. I'm configuring some password here. For this user, we will also need to configure one class. So let's see that. Edit system login user ABCD, set class. Here we can configure class by our choice, but for now I am configuring super user for this ABCD user. That's it. Commit check, commit check, commit and quit. So let's see what is the configuration of user we have created here. System show configuration. So here we have created one login user. We can see username is ABCD. This is user ID. It will automatically take some user ID for this user. Our class is super user and password, of course. So let's try login by this user. Exit, login, password. That's it. Okay. So we can see we have configured the user ABCD. So friends, now let's see the configuration of static routes now. Let me see what we have configured in Juniper Router first. Show configuration. Okay. So we have configured the interface with IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay. For R1 router, okay, we have configured the interface G1/0 with IP address 1.2 and interface G2/0 with IP address 2.1. R2 router. For R2 router is blank. Okay. So let's configure the R2 router first. Config terminal interface G1/0 IP address 192.168.2.2 255.25 255.0 unshut exit Okay, we can ping to the R1 router. Let's also configure the loopback interface. IP address 192.168.10.1. Okay. So friends, as per our network topology, we have configured the IP address on each router. Now let's try to ping to R2 router interface 192.168.2.1 from Juniper router. 192.168.2.1. 2.1 is not pingable because there is no route for network 2.1. Let's ping to the IP address 1.2. It's pinging. Now let's configure the static route in Juniper router. Configure private set option static route 192.168.2.0/24 next hope 192.168.1.2. That's it. Show compare. So we are configuring static route 192.168.2.0 and its next hope is 192.168.1.2. Commit, check, commit and quit. Now let's try to ping IP address 2.1. Ping 192.168.2.1. Okay, it's pinging. 2.2. 2.2 we cannot ping to 2.2 because there is no reverse route. So let's configure the static route in R2 router also. This is our R2 router. I am configuring here default route. Configure terminal IP route 192.168 to 192.168 2.1. Okay. One zero is missing here. Exit. Now let's try to ping from Juniper router. It's pinging now. We also can configure default route in Juniper router also. So we can do that. Edit, set option static route default route next 192.168 1.2. Okay, commit, check, commit and quit. Let's see our configuration now. Show configuration. Here we have configured two static routes for network 192.168.2.0 and one is default route. So because of default route we can also ping to the IP address 192.168.10.1. that is the loopback IP address of router R2. So ping 192.168.10.1. Okay, route for 10.0 network is not present in R1 router. That's why we are not able to ping it from Juniper router. So let's try to configure it in R1 router. IP 192.168.10.0, 255.255.255.0, and next to now we should be able to ping it from Juniper router. Yeah, that is pinging now. Okay, now let's ping from R2 router and see the configuration of every router. Here is R2 router, ping 192.168.1.1, that is our Juniper router. We can ping. So here is the configuration of R2 router. So in R2 router we have just configured the interface gigabit Ethernet 1/0 and loopback interface and one static route. Now the configuration of R1 router. Exit, show run. Okay. So in R1 router also we have configured the interface gigabit Ethernet 1/0, gigabit Ethernet 2/0 and one static route for the network 10.0. That's it. And now in Juniper router, show configuration. So in Juniper router we can see we have configured the host name in last video, then one login user, ABCD, after that interface EM0 unit 0 with IP address 192.168.1.1 and the static routes for network 192.168.2.0 and also one default route. That's it for now friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you found this video useful. Please share your comment below. Meet you in the next video of learning. Also give a like to this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye.